What if I told you that a simple AI generated vehicle video could pull in millions of views without you ever touching a camera? In this video, I'll show you the exact free method that's helping creators ride one of the hottest viral trends on social media. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techie Dialogue. Let's go into the video. First, you have to open any browser and go to ChatGPT. As you can see, my ChatGPT is already opened. Then you have to type a command to ChatGPT for asking a bike list. I am giving the command list 20 bike and scooty models along with their brands and manufacturers, including luxury motorcycles, and press enter. Yes, you can see the model, brand, and manufacturer's name are already come in the screen. Now you have to go to the flow, and I have already create a master prompt to create the video. You have to just copy the master prompt and paste in the box. Now go back again in ChatGPT and choose the bike model that you like to make video. Here I am taking Harley Davidson. So first copy the brand name and paste in the vehicle. Then give a space and again go back to ChatGPT and copy the bike model and paste it here. You can also include your channel name here. Just in the box, below box, you have to select and type your channel name. I'm typing my one. Techie Dialogue. Then you have to click on Nano Banana. As you can see, I'm clicking on it. This is required to check the settings. As we are going to make videos, so you have to click on video, then select frames, then aperture ratio will be 9:16. We are going to create one video and make sure Omni Flash is selected and time will be 10 seconds. Our settings is done. Now you have to hit enter. As you are seeing that video is going to generate it will take some time, so keep patience until the video is ready. Yes friend, my video is ready. Double click on it and you can see the video. For downloading the video, click on download button on the top right side, and it, as you can see, it is already downloaded. And then after downloading, you can use it in your any social media. That's it my friend. If you want to stay ahead of a next viral AI content trend, make sure to subscribe so you never miss the latest opportunities. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.